Citizens Coalition for Change is complaining after 10 of their members were arrested this week alone. In a tweet, they said, just this week, the regime has arrested over 10 of our members, including our 2 members of parliament, Maureen Kademaunga and Ostalo Sizeba, Councillor Clyde Mashoshera, and most recently, Deputy Mayor Kudzai Kadzombe, who was arrested this afternoon. This ongoing persecution, specifically targeting our party members, only serves to deepen the already troubling concerns surrounding the election. Its disorganized nature, the illegality, the rigging, and the overall chaos it has caused. So, we have been talking about this for a very long time now. It seems as if there is a deliberate attempt to silence the opposition through arrests. Remember, Honorable Job Sikala was arrested and has spent over a year now behind bars. Jacob Ngarifume has been sentenced to 4 or 5 years. And the same modus operandi is being deployed to citizens' leaders. Jacob Ngarifume, Job Sikala, Nyatsime, and others, they faced persecution in this during this regime's reign. Elections came. They claim to have won these elections, but they continue to arrest members of the Citizens Coalition for Change on frivolous charges. The question is, why were these cases not being reported when they happened? Why now? Why are these arrests coming now? There is another councillor who is also behind bars. Seke councillor, behind bars. The MP was called and was questioned as well. All these things are happening and nobody cares. It's like nobody cares to hear what is going wrong in this country. Nobody cares to hear what the opposition has been complaining about. So, in my view, Team Zimbabwe, it's becoming out of hand. This continuous incarceration of MPs is wrong. So, you're not paying attention. There is a faction within ZANU who want chaos so as to dethrone ED. Which faction is that? That is the question we have. Which faction wants chaos? This is simply a matter, a defense being given here. Which faction is doing this? Because if President Mnangagwa has won, is in charge, he must simply call Matanga and ask him, why are you doing this to these MPs? He must clearly come, have a press conference and condemn this. If there is a faction which is doing that, it means, and the president is quiet, it means he's not in charge. The question will be, who is in charge? I don't believe this Hula Balu Ekuti, there is a faction causing this. No. There is no faction doing anything. And we need protests in all constituencies led by our CCC MPs and councillors. Enough of this treatment from the regime. And because we are not serious about stopping this nonsense, okay? Another contribution, and we are not serious. We expect leadership to advise if Plan A didn't work, let's go to another revolution. It's painful. Okay, so I think CCC winning candidates must go any nearby police station and ask to arrest them. Hapana chekumirira cause vachangosungwa, the earlier the better. Okay, it will be 100 soon. What kind of opposition is so scared of police? Kukundwa ne islanders chaiyo. Over 500 days job are mjeri for being a lawyer. Chamnogona kuti hair framing patwitter muchasvinura dai mukambosungwa mese leadership munodzoka serious neshanduko. Okay, zvanzi Sadiq help us. Okay, so Team Zimbabwe zvinorwadza zvinhu zvakadai, so you cannot continue like this, having everybody being arrested. Honestly, vanhu vachasvika pakupera vese vachisungwa, vanopera vese, and nothing will happen because these boys, they feel that they are invincible. The reason why they are doing this nobody knows. Saka amen guys, kuti memchizviona sei, but in my view this is wrong, totally wrong.